Thinking about setting up a new email and connecting it to Apollo so you can start sending sequences and tracking conversations? Here's the quickest, easiest walkthrough to get everything running smoothly. Start by creating the email account you want to use. It can be Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any provider that supports standard mail servers. Once your email is ready, open Apollo and go to your profile settings. Look for the mailboxes section. Then choose Link Mailboxes. Apollo will ask you to pick your email provider. Select the right one, type in your email address, and check the box agreeing to the terms. Apollo will redirect you to your provider's login page where you simply sign in and grant access. This permission allows Apollo to send emails, sync replies, and track activity for your outreach. If you're connecting Gmail, Apollo can automatically pull in many of your aliases, which makes sending from different variations of your address really easy. If you ever experience a Microsoft account redirecting to a Google login page, that usually means your domain settings need adjustment. In that case, contact Apollo support. After the connection is confirmed, your mailbox is ready to use inside Apollo. You can send emails, run sequences, manage meetings, and keep all your conversations organized in one place. If you ever want to remove a mailbox, go back to the Mailboxes tab, pick the one you want to disconnect, and select Unlink. If there are scheduled emails, Apollo will ask you to assign them to another mailbox so nothing gets stuck. And that's it. Your new email is created, connected, and ready to power your outreach.